Okay, you may be wondering about the basic usefulness of a phase angle meter in commissioning a CT. Well, this is an example. Let's say that you replace the breaker. You have a transmission line that runs, 15 miles from substation X to substation Y. You have replaced the circuit breaker at one end, we'll say substation Y, and as a final check, you want to make sure that the instrument transformers are connected correctly where you replace the breaker. Okay, so you go to the good end and you jack in, and you see that you have a 30-degree angle. The watts are 416 point something out, and the VARs are also out. So what you then do, this is the one that's undisturbed, been proven for many years of service. So now you go to the one where you just did all the work, you put a new breaker in, reconnected new current transformers and all that, and you want to see what it should do. Okay, so you jack into that. Okay, and you should find this. You should find that the watts are now in and the VARs are now in, and they are the same amplitude you had at the other end. And this tells you that, if you do this on all three phases, this tells you that the system, the protection, the metering system is connected correctly. And that is the value of having this. You have that last check, last in-service check, where you know it works correctly. Thank you for watching.